Bloom is about collaboration. It's the space to contribute with ideas, solutions, opportunity to try. And I think that is what is going to create a huge difference for many brands going to the market.
Key challenges that customers are facing is how can they drive innovation in a market that is growing and is eager to try new things. Brand owners are responding to Vietnamese consumer needs, and they are really looking for new products that can deliver more functionality, more nutrition. We face the reality that small brands, mid-sized brands, and large-sized brands are facing difficulties to drive innovation in an efficient way.
So everyone wants to launch new products. The biggest challenge will be how to produce the new products with very small batch. And it also requires at least 12 to 18 months to launch a new product. It's quite long compared to the expectation from the consumer.
Customers, they come and meet us and they say, we have a dream. Can you please help us to implement it?
The question come up is how we can create innovation center that can really deliver the service of innovation, but securing the capability to scale up to large size productions.
Denist, together with Tetra Pak, are pioneering within the innovation space, launching Bloom. We are trying to find a way to minimize the resource requirements before you can go to market.
This is the very first time in Tetra Pak, globally, we are exploring the possibility of delivering our services in our product development center under one roof, under one food license. We can deliver from idea to final product, and then if the brand owners would like to, they can scale up to large-size productions.
What is unique with Bloom is that you have the product development area, ideation space for generating ideas, design of packaging material, to the actual industrial production. So we can solve all these questions together with our partners under one roof.
Bloom is part of a global network of innovation of Tetra Pak. And in that network, there is a large amount of expertise to collaborate with our customers to drive their innovation.
Bloom can help you to speed up the product innovation launch into the market. We can produce so many products and categories that are available in the Vietnam market. Dairy products, soya products, plant-based products. We can produce the particle inside of the products. And more than that,
magic does not happen by itself. It happens by people contributing to solve issues, solve problems, to develop new ideas, to dream together, but also to work together.
Bloom will open the door for you to step in the world of limitless possibilities where creativity and innovations converge.
Our dream in Vietnam is that Bloom Center become the place where real magic happens.